bangka. Good morning mga katoto. Kain tayo. Bangka. Adobong pos.
Inihaw po.
Hindi ako nag-set pala, sorry.
Ang naging adobo yan.
Dati mga plato na sa pinto tawagin.
After that, I had the opportunity to come here.
Are you planning to get into acting here in the Philippines as well?
I'm learning Tagalog first. It's the most important.
You have
Correct. You have to.
Nakapost siya kanina. Hindi ko na kung...
Here's Facundo Aguirre from Argentina.
Lami.
So, yeah.